It's always a good idea to evaluate your thermopile infrared sensor before selecting one, just to make sure it's not a thermopile of rubbish. Amphenol Advanced Sensors Digital Output IR Detector EVM kit makes evaluation quick and easy with a user-friendly platform and an intuitive software GUI designed for Windows-based operating systems, allowing seamless communication and data management. The EVM kit comes with an I2C communication board, an IR detector breakout board, a USB cable, and a Signal Connect cable, and is compatible with Amphenol's ZTPD 2210 series of thermopile digital output IR detectors. This kit features data downloading and logging capabilities that are ideal for sensor development and evaluation applications.